Did you know that the quality of your sleep determines the quality of your life? Not everyone who sleeps for 8 hours is truly rested, because it's not about how long you sleep, but how you prepare for that sleep. Every day we spend hours working, scrolling on our phones, or catching up on social media. Yet we forget to spend even a few minutes at the end of the day on ourselves, to relax, recover, and recharge. If the morning marks the beginning of a new journey, then the evening is the time to refuel so you can keep going strong on that path. In this video, I'll share with you 5 simple steps to end your day the right way, helping you sleep deeply, wake up full of energy, and feel ready to conquer any goal. Stay until the end of the video because this might just be the small habit that changes your entire life. Before we begin, if you're interested in personal growth, building healthy habits, and finding balance in your life, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Every small action from you is a big motivation for me to keep creating more valuable content about sleep, energy, and positive daily habits. Now let's dive in and discover how to end your day for better sleep and full energy. 1. Disconnect from screens. Give your brain the right to rest. We often think that simply putting our head on the pillow is enough to fall asleep, but in reality, it's not that simple. Your brain needs a transition period, just like how a car needs to cool down after a long drive. And the biggest enemy that prevents your brain from truly shutting down is the blue light emitted from phones, computers, and TVs. Blue light suppresses the production of melatonin, the natural hormone that helps you feel sleepy. When you look at your phone before bed, even for just a few minutes, your brain gets tricked into thinking it's still daytime. This makes it harder to fall into deep sleep and more likely to wake up during the night. Studies have shown that just 30 minutes of screen time before bed can reduce sleep quality by up to 40%. That's why you might sleep a full 8 hours, yet still wake up tired, heavy-headed, and low on energy. The solution is simple. Turn off all electronic devices at least 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Let your mind gradually cool down. You can read a few pages of a light book, listen to calming music, or write a few lines in your journal. Activities that help your mind return to a peaceful, slower rhythm. Many successful people, such as Bill Gates and Arianna Huffington, maintain the habit of reading before bed every night. They understand that the way you end your day determines the way you begin the next one. If it's hard for you to put your phone away immediately, try a simple trick. Place it out of reach, on your desk or a shelf far from your bed, and turn on Do Not Disturb mode. Once the glow of the screen is out of sight, you'll find it much easier to embrace the calm of the evening. Remember this, disconnecting from your screen is reconnecting with yourself. It's the first step to giving your mind the rest it truly deserves, so you can wake up the next morning feeling refreshed, clear-headed, and full of energy. 2. Tidy up and close your day. Outer order, inner calm. Many people think tidying up is a small, trivial task, but in truth, it's a spiritual ritual that helps you close your day and prepare your mind for deep rest. A cluttered space unconsciously creates a cluttered mind, as if your brain still has unfinished business. In contrast, when your room is neat and your desk organized, you instantly feel lighter, calmer, and ready to unwind. Start with the simplest actions. Fold your blanket, tidy up your desk, shut down your laptop, and wash that last cup of the day. Just 5 minutes of cleaning is enough to signal to your brain that the day is complete. This isn't just a physical act. It's a mental release, allowing your mind to step away from the busyness of the day and shift into a state of relaxation. Psychological studies show that a tidy environment reduces stress and increases your sense of control over life. On the other hand, clutter keeps your brain on alert, making it harder to fully relax and fall into deep sleep. That's why nighttime cleaning shouldn't be seen as a chore. It's actually a small gift you give to yourself. You can make it enjoyable, play soft music, light a candle, or diffuse a bit of lavender essential oil while you clean. Let your senses unwind. When you're done, you'll notice a subtle but powerful shift, not just in your space, but within your mind. Remember this, the way you end your day affects how you begin the next. A clean, organized space is a gentle goodbye to today, and a peaceful foundation to greet tomorrow with calm, positivity, and renewed energy. 3. Write down 3 things you're grateful for or tomorrow's plan. End your day with a grateful mind before going to bed. Instead of letting your thoughts wander aimlessly, spend just 5 quiet minutes to write down 3 things you're grateful for today. It may seem simple, but this small habit holds incredible power. It allows you to pause, reflect, and notice the positive moments you might have overlooked. A kind compliment, a peaceful moment, or even just a delicious meal. When you write down your gratitude, your brain begins to shift its focus from stress and fatigue to positivity and contentment. Neuroscientific research shows that practicing gratitude lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and activates brain areas linked to happiness and calmness. That's why people who cultivate this habit tend to fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up with a lighter, more peaceful mood. If you prefer a proactive approach, take it one step further. Jot down 3 important things you want to accomplish tomorrow. Once your plan for the next day is set, your mind feels safe and doesn't need to keep running through endless thoughts while you lie in bed. This simple step significantly reduces overthinking at night, especially for those who always have a long to-do list running through their mind. You can write in a small notebook or keep a dedicated night journal to document your daily reflections. Over time, when you look back, you'll be surprised at how many good things have quietly filled your days. Remember, a good night's sleep doesn't start when you close your eyes. It starts when your mind feels grateful and at peace. Just a few lines each evening can help you end your day with fulfillment and begin the next with inspiration and positive energy. 4. Relax your body. Breathe and stretch to release the day's fatigue. Before going to bed, give your body a few minutes to truly breathe, unwind, and rest. Throughout the day, we sit too much, stare at screens for too long, tense our shoulders, strain our necks, and carry layers of invisible stress. You can't expect your body to drift into a deep, peaceful sleep if you haven't given it a chance to relax first. Just 5 minutes of deep breathing or gentle stretching can make a remarkable difference. Find a quiet space, stand or sit comfortably. Close your eyes and slowly inhale through your nose, feeling the cool air flow into your chest and down to your belly. Then exhale softly through your mouth, as if releasing all the tension and worries of the day. Repeat this for a few minutes. You'll feel your body gradually let go. Your shoulders loosen, your heartbeat slows, your mind becomes lighter. If you can, add a few gentle stretches. Roll your neck, extend your arms, stretch your back or bend forward to touch your toes. These slow, mindful movements improve blood circulation and help release the stiffness that builds up throughout the day. Research from Harvard University has shown that just 5 to 10 minutes of body relaxation before bed can improve sleep quality by up to 30%. Many successful people treat this practice as a nightly ritual. They don't see it as a workout, but as a way to reconnect with their bodies, to listen to their breath and feel the rhythm of life within. You can play some soft meditation music, the sound of waves, or a nighttime forest ambiance. Let your breathing and the rhythm flow together. Imagine that with every exhale, you're releasing all the fatigue, all the stress, all unnecessary thoughts. And when you finally lie down, your body is ready for deep rest and your mind is completely still. Because sometimes, just 5 slow, mindful minutes of breathing can be the greatest gift you give yourself, the gift of peace. 5. Create your ideal sleep space, where your body can fully reset. A good night's sleep doesn't just happen because you're exhausted. It depends largely on the environment you rest in. An ideal bedroom doesn't need to be luxurious. It simply needs to make you feel safe, calm, and comfortable. A space where the moment you walk in, your body naturally understands it's time to rest. Start with temperature. Sleep experts suggest that the optimal temperature for deep sleep ranges between 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, 75 to 78 degrees Fahrenheit, with 25 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit, being nearly perfect. When the room is too warm, your body must work harder to cool down, making it harder to fall asleep. On the other hand, if it's too cold, your heart rate and breathing slow down too much, which can cause you to wake up during the night. Next, pay attention to lighting. Bright light, especially blue or white light, suppresses melatonin, the natural hormone that signals your body it's time to sleep. Before bed, turn off strong lights and electronic screens. Instead, use warm yellow or amber lighting from a bedside lamp or dim light source. Warm light tells your brain that night has arrived and it's time to shift into rest mode. Sound also plays a powerful role. If you live in a noisy area, consider using white noise or gentle nature sounds, rain, ocean waves, or wind rustling through trees. These steady, calming sounds help mask outside noise and guide your mind into a relaxed, meditative state. To enhance relaxation, try spritzing a bit of lavender or bergamot essential oil on your pillow, blanket, or around the room. These natural scents help lower heart rate, reduce tension, and promote tranquility. Some people even use an aroma diffuser to spread a soft fragrance throughout the room, creating a peaceful, spa-like atmosphere. Finally, keep your space clean and uncluttered. A messy room subtly keeps your brain on alert, as if it's reminding you of unfinished tasks. Taking just a few minutes to tidy up before bed helps your mind unwind and makes your morning start lighter and calmer. When your sleep environment is perfectly balanced, cool, quiet, softly lit, and gently scented, you'll find that sleep comes more easily, runs deeper, and leaves you waking up feeling fully recharged and renewed every single morning. Sleep isn't just a time to rest, it's the moment when your body and mind recharge after a long day. During sleep, your brain reorganizes memories, restores energy, and prepares you for a fresh new day. So don't think of sleep as the end of your day. Think of it as the foundation for a powerful new beginning. Start tonight. Turn off your phone early so blue light doesn't disrupt your natural rhythm. Write down 3 things you're grateful for to end your day with positive emotions, and allow yourself to truly rest with a deep, quality sleep. What about you? What do you usually do to relax before bed? Share it in the comments. Your routine might inspire someone else. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your small action gives me great motivation to keep sharing simple, positive habits that help you live a more balanced and energized life every day.